In this video, I'm going to give you a complete beginner's guide to Surfshark VPN, from installing the app, connecting to servers, switching locations, and customizing settings. And before we start, if you haven't already, use the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN at a great price and follow along with the setup. First, make sure your device is compatible. The Surfshark app works on Android 5 or later and on iOS 12 or later. Once you've confirmed that, open your device's App Store, Google Play Store on Android, or the App Store on iPhone. In the search bar, type Surfshark and tap Search. On the app page, click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, tap Open. If for some reason you cannot access the App Store, you can also download Surfshark directly from their website. Simply use the link in the description to directly go to and download the Surfshark VPN page. From there, download the APK. Open it and install the app like any other APK. On iOS, this option isn't available, so the App Store is required. Once the app is open, you'll need to log in. If you don't have an active subscription yet, click Create Account to start a free trial. If you already have an account, tap Login and enter your registered email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll also need to enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. Now you're in the Surfshark app. To connect quickly, tap the blue Quick Connect button at the bottom. By default, it connects to the fastest available server, but you can customize this. Tap Change to select the nearest country, fastest server, or your preferred location. The first time you connect, the app will ask for permission to accept the VPN connection. Tap OK. Once connected, you can see your connection details like IP address, connection time, and protocol. To manually choose a server, tap the Locations tab. Surfshark has over 3,200 servers in 100+ countries, so you'll have plenty of options. Some countries have multiple city options, which you can select by tapping the arrow next to the country. You can also save your favorite servers by tapping the star icon, which pins them to the top of your list. Surfshark also offers features like static IP, multi-hop, and dedicated IP. Static IP ensures you get the same IP every time. Multi-hop routes your connection through 2 servers for extra security. And dedicated IP gives you a private IP just for you. If your subscription includes Surfshark One, you'll find additional tools like Surfshark Alert, Search, and Antivirus under the Products tab. In the app settings, you can customize your experience further. Go to VPN settings to enable Auto Connect. Change the VPN protocol, enable the kill switch, or turn on Clean Web to block ads and malware. Split tunneling allows certain apps or websites to bypass the VPN. Advanced features include invisible to LAN, GPS spoofing, rotating IP, no borders for restricted networks, and small package mode for slow connections. And that's it! Your smartphone is now fully protected with Surfshark VPN, giving you privacy, security, and access to content from around the world. And that's it! That's how to use the Surfshark VPN as a complete beginner. Use the link in the description to try Surfshark VPN at a great price and secure your mobile device today.